A brand new AI tool has just made available and it's free of cost.
You are lying.
It's text to video, Zeroscope.
All right, we'll try. I'll try it one time, right?
If you're doing text to video, you must be familiar with Runway ML. And it's one of my favorite tools out there. Personally, I'm a huge fan of Runway ML. It does generate pretty good generations, but generating videos does cost credits. And if you're generating decent amount of videos, you will eat through credits very quickly.
They're not cheap these days.
I knew that if you do want to generate something with free version of Zeroscope over the Hugging Face link, it will take fairly long, so have patience. And if you don't have patience, then try duplicating the space. These are the AI generations that I have played so far with this tool. I also wanted to show you some of the other cool generations that other creators have created. So this video is from Pharma Psychotic, and this is really a cool generation, like a robot cat that has lasers or guns or something. I'm trying to replicate this. This another one that I really enjoyed that I came across is from Vanya. This is like a celebration with fireworks, everybody cheering, the lot. And this one is really funny, and this one is really weird also. It came across from Group. It's like a stand-up of Jerry Seinfeld, but it's quite funny. Have a look.
Go into the washing machine as a pair and come out single.
It's an amazing tool, available free of cost on Hugging Face, so go try out, as I'm also trying to get out some cool AI generation from this tool.